Welcome to Cisco Network Engineering Course 1 and 2. My name is John Nelson. This course is a 3-credit course. It also is dual enrolled through Tidewater Community College. We give you 8 credits in the 2 years that you are here. We also would allow you to continue on into TCC if you need be. We also have an online curriculum, and then what's unique about the online curriculum is that Cisco Systems, who is managing the curriculum, can take the newest technologies and put it into our curriculum, so you're learning the newest and greatest technologies of that day. The other thing we do is we give you free certifications. The first one's CCNA, which is Cisco Certified Network Associate, and the second one we give you in the second year of the program is Security Plus. We also do a unique thing in the second year. We do a senior project, which what you do is you take your real world experience from the stuff you learned inside the class, and you apply it to a gaming network which has 5 virtual cities that you build. And what's neat about that is you get to work with engineers from local companies. Also, we have is alumni who go both to college and to the business, and they also go into the military. One of the unique ones is Corey Gray. He works for Cisco Systems. He was our first certified student in 2001. He is still in the IT field and he's loving it. We also have another one, Brian Mead, who went to Virginia Tech, got his electrical engineering degree at Virginia Tech, and he is actually working for E+. And the last one I'd like to talk about is Mary Amon. What she did is she worked for a local company, ABS, and she transitioned into Naval Base, into the IT field there. Hopefully you'll look into this course, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the future.